We're going to Odawara. Odawara ni touchdown. Alright. Ayan tayo guys. After 2 hours ride by train, andito na po tayo sa Odawara Station. Ayan guys. Naku, matutuwa po kayo dahil napakaluwag po ng kanilang station. And before we go to the Odawara Castle, we have to look for some coin lockers kasi we have to leave our suitcase and bags bago tayo mamasyal guys kasi we have to walk 10 minutes to 15 minutes I think. And alam nyo na mahirap mamasyal pagka may bit-bit na packages, so we look for some and I think we cannot find here because it's full. So, bababa tayo ng station. And speaking of baggages, guys, meron po kami baggage dahil after this, matutulog kami ni Kachang sa aking apo. Dahil the next day, we will be watching his sports day in the school. Ayan. Kaya, excited na po kami. But before we go there, mamamasyal muna kami sa Odawara Castle. Ayan. Okay, let's go. So, pagbaba namin ng station, meron pa po ditong lockers. Ayan. But we have to pay 400 yen, I think. Yan, dyan po namin iniwan ang aming baggage. And babalikan na lang namin before we go to Tsubaki's house. So, ayan guys, ang front view ng Odawara Station. Napakaganda guys kasi maraming shops na wala dito sa amin. So, medyo, alam nyo na, yung parang na-innocent kami sa lugar. Kasi maraming parang masasarap na food sa mga restaurants dito na hindi namin makita dito sa aming lugar. And, iba ang tawag dito, ang environment, iba yung paligid. At saka ang kanilang air is more, I think it's more clean siguro. Dahil hindi tayo malapit sa syudad. Medyo malayo tayo sa Tokyo. So, napaka-fresh po ng kanilang air dito. And the surrounding is really good and very peaceful. Peaceful talaga ang Japan everywhere you go. But this place is really good. Napakaluwag na mga lalakaran niya. And yan, because galing pa po kami sa work before we go here, hindi pa kami nanananghalian, so we have to walk and find some delicious foods dahil dito sa Odawara they have these specialties like sushi, sashimi, and of course the kamaboko. Yan, so hahanap po tayo ng masarap na makakainan. Kasi before we come here sa Odawara, nagtingin-tingin muna kami sa YouTube. And here, nakita namin itong Japanese restaurant na Kome to Sakana ang title. And guys, I recommend you na puntahan nyo ito dahil matutuwa kayo sa kanilang menu. And ang kinuha po namin is sashimi teishoku, which is you have the sashimi donburi and with miso soup and some appetizers at meron pa silang fry. Napakasarap at napaka-fresh at ang kanilang rice napakasarap kaya sakto lang sa title nilang Kome to Sakana. Yan guys, napakasarap yan guys. I assure you magugustuhan nyo talaga. You will really love it. Okay, so ayan, ako talagang tuwan-tuwa kami sa food and we are really very satisfied. Okay, so alright, lakad naman tayo dito sa Sakura, what do you call this? Sakura Road. Okay, these trees, these are all sakura. These are cherry trees. And during cherry blossoms, napakaraming cherry blossoms dito sa lugar na to, guys. Kasi nga, this is the way that we're heading to the castle. Kaya medyo this time this is not sunny, it's cloudy. It's a little bit cool, medyo maginaw. But then napakaswerte namin dahil hindi umulan. Kaya lang we didn't know if we can see the Mount Fuji from the top of the castle kasi ayan, may namit akong doggies. Yes. And meron din mga maps, guys. I assure you, hindi kayo maliligaw. Okay? Picture muna kami ni Kachang for the souvenirs and for the memories. And yan, ang hilig ko talaga sa malalaking puno, guys. Ayan. Okay, so pasok muna tayo sa kanilang park. The park is free. And you can find a lot of historical messages. You know, I'm not really aware of the history of Odawara Castle, but then you can find some pictures like this. Merong English and Japanese. Ayan, if you are curious of what is Odawara Castle, you can find it here. And inside, you can watch short movies about the battles, about how it was done, when it was done. Yan, makikita nyo, guys. But, we cannot take some videos in some of the places inside. Okay, let's get in. Okay, yan. Pasok tayo sa loob, guys. Ito yung kanilang malaking gate in front. Dito, bago kayo makapasok sa entrada ng castle. Yan, kung makikita nyo, guys, the Japanese girl talaga namang ang ganda ng pagkakagawa nila. And they said, yung mga butas-butas doon na yan is where they are hiding. At nasisilip nila kung sino yung mga pumapasok or pumupunta dyan sa place na yan. Of course, yan. Alam niyo na yung mga ninja nung araw, ganon. Siguro, if you can imagine, may mga nakatago mga ninja dyan, and sinisilip nila kung sino ang mga trespassing, ganon. Siguro, alam niyo na, mga battles kasi ng panahon na yon. Yan. Napapanood lang natin kasi sa yan, only in the movies, the show na makikita. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman ang pagkakagawa na ng mga gates, guys. Napaka-pulidong-pulido at talaga namang solid na solid ang kanilang mga kahoy. Yan. Although they reconstructed this, guys, yung mga ginamit daw nilang mga kahoy is yung paring kahoy before, nung unang panahon pa talaga. They just put some, the modern types at saka yung mga bato-bato na yan talaga namang imagine, napaka-ayos ang pagkakagawa talaga nila, right? And as you can see, talagang kopyang-kopya daw talaga, as in similar doon sa pagkakagawa nung araw. So, you know, and we are really very thankful na inulit nila kasi at least we can, you know, we can learn something. Yung may malalaman tayo about the history of Japan. You know, ayan. Although maraming castles dito sa Japan, meron sila mga kanya-kanyang history. Kaya napakagandang pasyalan, guys. I was there once sa Osaka Castle, pero hindi namin napasok until sa top, hanggang sa loob hindi namin napasok. Once dun din sa Atami, but yung Atami is not this kind of castle, parang ginawa lang nila for a tourist spot, parang ganun lang. Kaya yung ibang castle gusto ko rin talaga actually pasyalan. So ayan, makikita nyo guys, napakalinis. So ayan, buti na wala kami talagang dalang bagahe dahil alam nyo na, medyo mataas-taas ang aakyatin natin dyan guys. Ayan. Okay. So, let's go. And ayan, no, meron pa mga nagtatanim. Kasi every season talagang inaalagaan nila ang mga gardens dito dyan sa Japan, you know. Ayan. So, aakyat tayo paunti-unti. And alam nyo na, ang mga lolo at lola, medyo madali nang mapagod. So, paunti-unti lang ang lakad. Pero, look, they really preserve the stones. Yung mga stones, yung mga punong kahoy. See, talagang naitago, naiayos pa nila. Yan. At Tokiwagi Mon or Tokiwagi Gate. Yan. Yan po ang Tokiwagi Gate na ginawa nung panahon na yon. Talagang naiayos pa nila ng maganda. Ayan. You see, you know the Japanese skill guys, they don't use nails sa paggawa ng mga bahay. Pinagdudugtong-dugtong lang daw nila yung mga kahoy. Kasi pag nilagyan pala ng mga nails, you know, madaling masira ang mga kahoy. Kaya parang sinusok-sok-sok lang nila yung mga, what do you call that? Yung mga kahoy. Parang pinagdidikit-dikit lang nila. Yan. And hi! Odawara-ja ni kimashita. Ka-chan and Kazumi. Achira desu. Jan! Mecha takai tokoro desu. Hai. Odawara-jo ni kimashita.
のとこに焼肉パンにしていただける。
はい。
頑張って。
さあ、かっちゃん頑張れ。はい。反対。So, ayan, akyat na tayo. Okay, gambarimashou. Ayan, paunahin ko si Katya. Okay, but ayan, that is the entrance. You have to pay 510 yen. Here, you have to pay 510 yen dito sa Odawara Castle Tower. So, you can get in and you can get until the top. Okay, so, yan, picture muna. And here's the ticket. But some floors, they don't allow you to take some pictures. And some, they don't allow to take some videos. Ayan, guys. Okay, because there are some, you know, very important things siguro that I don't want to, you know, show to the social media. And if you want to see that, you have to go to the castle. Here you can find the old plates, the old cups that they used during that era. And some of the, you know, armors, mga ganon, andyan talaga. They really have it. They really kept it, really cleaned it, at talaga namang nakaka-overwhelm ang kanilang pagkakaayos. Yan, there are some pictures when it was ruined by the massive earthquake. That was 1923, I think. And they just rebuilt it. And there's the picture on how they did the new castle. There, makita nyo talagang giba-giba talaga, guys. But they preserved the woods. Yan, at saka ginawa talaga nila ulit. Okay, so let's go to the top. There. Here makikita nyo, guys, ang views outside. That's so beautiful. But then, you can just imagine before, long time ago, wala yan. All of those are only mountains and forest. But now, meron na mga mansions and mga apartments.
伊豆半島
あっちに行く。
松江
なんか、あっちの方にもなんかある。
And here I made my souvenir, guys. Every time na pupunta ko, last time I went to Tokyo Tower and I made this souvenir, a fine souvenir. You know, you can print your name here, Rininto Kachang and Kazumi. And this is a souvenir from Odawara Castle. Last time I had one from Tokyo Tower.
かっちゃんなんかね間が遠いよね
Okay, baba na tayo at lipat naman po tayo sa Samurai Museum.
間が
Ayan. Ang hirap din bumaba kasi ang lalaki ng hagdanan. Okay, anyways, makikita nyo, guys. Lipat naman tayo din sa Spirits of Samurai. Ayan. Ang kanilang mga costume during the battles. Dito nyo po makikita ang kanilang mga katana. Yan. Yan ang mga suot nila, guys, nung araw. Nung nakipag-battle sila. At talaga naman, yan. Wala tayong alam na ganyan pala kabibigat ang kanilang mga costume. Spirits of Samurai. Pero Japanese armor na. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like and share, and leave your comments below. And before we go home to Tsubaki's house, pasyal muna tayo dito sa Minaka. This is also in the station. And you can find a lot of delicious foods here. Their specialty, kamaboko, napakasarap, guys. Why not try? Punta kayo dito. They have so much sweets, mga merienda. Ang sasarap ng kanilang mga ice cream, guys. Oh, we really enjoyed ang kanilang odango, mga mochi. Napakasarap. Pag napunta kayo dito sa Odawara, guys, visit this place. And you can eat a lot of delicious foods. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye. Nani? Oh. Masake no dyan? Sabete miru? So, あそこでも売ってる。こっちはかまぼこでしょ。美味しいよそれね。いやここにいる。